Please put your hands together for Mr. AC De Guzman. All right, give it up for Mr. De Guzman, everybody.
Good afternoon. Yeah, thank you. Good afternoon and hello everyone. What's up? Woo! Kumusta lahat? All good? All good? I see a lot of familiar faces here. Just to share, Shopee Philippines has been, I would say, my home and training ground for at least 3.5 years during the net market ACC era. Just a quick share. But anyway, to make things official, on behalf of Honor Philippines, welcome everyone, and a big thank you to our amazing partners at Shopee Philippines for making this exclusive launch possible. Everyone, let's give them a quick round of applause. Our connection with Shopee Philippines is growing by the day. And it is no question why we continuously partner with them for our launches and activations year by year. So for context, I think we had 4 launches with them prior to launching here in the office. But since we started in 2023, our online business grew to an astonishing rate of 2,154% since 2023. Insane, right? And with 77% of our consumers also hailing from regions outside of Metro Manila. That's why, because of this, along with many of our wins this past year, it is crucial for us to target our regional customers mula Batanes hanggang Hulog through the extensive reach of course, Shopee Philippines and Shopee MPS. Okay, with that, it is my pleasure to share with you that Honor Philippines has been awarded at the recent Shopee Mall Brand Summit with not just one, but with 2 big awards, Best Content Engagement and SSPL Growth Champion. So again, take note, we were chosen amongst hundreds of brands, hundreds within Shopee Mall, and I would say this is one of our major achievements thus far. This just further strengthens why we chose Shopee to have this partnership with. And that being said, I think you guys already know why you're here. But if not, today is extra exciting kasi we are thrilled to officially introduce the all-new X5C Plus, launching of course exclusively in Shopee. There. Of course, just in time for a 3-3 Shopee Mega all-out sale. O diba? What a way to celebrate pairing innovative new tech with one of the biggest, or rather, the biggest e-commerce platform in the Philippines. The X5C Plus is designed to deliver reliable performance with its 3-day battery life, stylish design, and of course, its great value. More on that later. We decided to be the top-of-mind smartphone for your everyday Filipino user, just looking for, I would say, a holistic smartphone experience. And with that, I don't want to keep you guys waiting. Just sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of the event. Again, I am AC De Guzman. Thank you for being here. Let's make this launch a huge success. Thank you.
Thank you so much, AC. Can we give AC another big round of applause, folks? Wow. Well, AC, I'm sure you can feel the energy and the vibe in this room. Can you feel that, bro? Yeah? Well, given what's happening today, what are you most excited about?
I mean, aside from the effort of our team for making this possible, and I'm excited for the 3-day battery life.
You're excited for the 3-day battery life. How many of you here, your cell phones has 3 days of battery life? Okay, not that many. So, bro, what can someone do with 3 days of battery?
I mean, for example, you just go to vacation, naisipan nyo lang your barkada, LU during the weekend, tapos, naiwan ko charger ko. Pero, honor is
yeah. So even if you forget your charger at home, Honor has got your back. That's a good one, AC. Alright, one more time, folks. Maraming salamat kay AC for that inspiring message and for sharing Honor's bold vision of innovation to every Filipino.